The Armalite AR-18 is a 5.56 by 45 millimeter NATO rifle developed in the 1960s as a cheaper, more versatile alternative to the AR-15. Designed by Eugene Stoner, it featured a short-stroke gas piston system for improved reliability and stamped steel construction for easier manufacturing. Its folding stock made it more compact, and it influenced later firearms like the British SA80, Japanese Type 89, and HK G36. Though not widely adopted, it was used by paramilitary groups during the Troubles in Northern Ireland. Despite its limited success, the AR-18 played a key role in modern rifle development.